Alright, back with another video. I'll make this a short one. But I did a big clean out at a farm. They took an old barn down. There's still stuff in there I gotta get. The guy was really nice, but he said he didn't want me to film on the property, so I couldn't show you what I was doing. But these were all the electric motors that I picked up. Now I took in already I took in 4,000 pounds of short steel and 4,000 pounds of tin already on my small trailer, and I had the truck loaded in the back. But theirs was electric motors. There was a lot of good stuff. Assorted copper wire. This is old brass screen. Like, I mean, stuff's probably 100 years old or more. This whole can was copper and brass. And these are old brass car radiators. There's 5 of them. And then there's this one here. That's from like an old machine. That's probably about 100 pounds. So I got all that, the battery, the wire and all that stuff from doing that clean out. There was an aluminum wheel, but I'm going to be cleaning this stuff up. This is all the copper I've grabbed in the last, this can, and some stuff down in there. I grabbed all that stuff in the last couple days too. I've just been running around busy. But there's more stuff up there I got to take. But I got to get a torch because you got to, not that one, but like this one, you got to heat these joints because they're soldered on. It's just easier to heat them with a torch, and then that tin comes off because you got to clean the tin off to get the most money. This one doesn't have much tin on it other than this piece on the top. I'm just going to figure out how to get that off. But yeah, so I'm going to be cleaning this stuff up probably by the end of the week here. I mean, in here there's a lot of like that's solid lead, and some of this copper pipe. Look how thick that is. It's huge copper pipe. You know, a bunch of this brass screen copper. The electric motors was what was the most of. There's more there like this, and they're all old motors from like the 50s and starter generators and stuff like that. So I got the big trailer almost loaded up here. I mean, it's not really that tightly packed and everything, but I picked up this heavy stinky refrigerator. Man, is it, if you could smell it through the camera, you'd just shut off the video already. But I just want to do a little quick video. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to finish. I got to pick up 2 boilers today, cast iron boilers like this guy right here, this big one. I got 2 of them and some copper to pick up, and I'm going to do that today and probably get this tin stripped off these and get these ready. Prices dropped again, so we'll just leave it at that. If you notice, the fuel prices went up in the last like 60 cents here in Pennsylvania in the last week and a half. So I got another oil tank at a place I got to pick up. They had to finish draining the oil out of it, so I'm going to put this big heavy guy here and maybe that other tank there, or maybe that and the tank here, I don't know. But I got a couple other little things to pick up. I got a house over here down the road. It's got some appliances and stuff, so I'm going to get this full. So I think the next load, I'm going to bring this load of tin in because the price just dropped another 10 a ton, like I said. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean all this stuff up, and hopefully by Friday I can bring this stuff in and actually make some money. You see, I got a couple aluminum wheels over here and stuff, but I'm not worried about them. Some stainless steel. That stainless steel came from the property. And that's my short steel pile getting kind of big again. Once I add that boiler and those other 2, there'll probably be 7,000-8,000 pounds of short steel again. It's not worth anything. But yeah, I picked up some more aluminum too from this property. There's more stuff up there. I gotta get up there, but I got a bunch of things going on this week. Look at the size of that ugly, smelly refrigerator. Just pan by so you can see what I'll put on here. Alright, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And like I said, I'll bring this stuff in. Friday night, I'll have a video up. You figure how much I get paid. It'll probably be another $1,000 to $1,200 if I clean all this stuff up. But yeah, I mean, I've already made $900 in the past 2 days, so at this one job. But I got to get these boilers and get this stuff off. You can see it's early in the morning. The sun's barely coming up. It's only 6:30 in the morning here. But, alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Remember to hit that bell icon so you get notifications when I post my next video. So this way, you're not waiting, or you don't, you'll have a better chance of seeing it. Because a lot of people said they didn't get notifications or anything when I post my next video. So, alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you later.